Welcome to Promily. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on what everything does on our platform. So first of all, you need to log into the Promily dash, go to mailer.promo.ly. If you're brand new and you've never used Promily before, head to our website, which is Promily, which is https, then / then promo.ly, that's pronounced Promily, and then create a new account and start a trial. So whenever you log in, you'll be introduced to this screen here. You can see I've been using Promily for some time and I've got some stats and I've got campaigns, but yours will look pretty blank if you're brand new. On the left-hand side, we've got campaigns. This is the view we're looking at. So this will always return you back to this page here. Then we've got sent. This is everything that is outgoing from Promily. So if you send a campaign, all of those details will be in here. And if you want to view what's going on with a campaign after it's been sent and the real-time activity, you can do so by clicking on activity. Below here, we've got the list management. You can upload your CSV spreadsheets and you can upload contacts individually, and then you can edit, and then you can add them to groups. To set the groups, you need to go to subscriber groups here, and then you can add things like an A list and a B list and, whatever you need. Then we have a Promily pool, which is grassroots DJs looking to receive new music. This pool is really good for expanding your reach. Below here, we've got sender profiles. Sender profiles are if you have multiple labels or brands using Promily under one account. So I might have record label A and record label B. I can add both of those into Promily and then I can send from either or. So you only need one account for multiple labels. Below here, subscription and billing. This is where you add your credit cards and you can subscribe. And then we have a partnership program where you can generate recurring revenue off Promily. And you can do that by signing up and then sharing the Promily link. And then anyone who joins underneath your link, you will receive a commission. And then we've got support and then we've got logout. On the top pane, we have got some quick snapshot stats, and these are all clickable. So I can click on opens. Promily will automatically filter for me and it will show me everything that's going on. So you can see here, we've filtered the activity by open and viewed, and this just does this by this filter here. As you can see here, we've ticked them, but you can set up your own filters and see what's going on. If we go back to the dash, we've got search menu here. So I can search for a campaign I've sent out. Here, you can send it, you can edit, you can preview, you can duplicate the campaign. We've also got secret links where you can generate a link to the campaign for a particular recipient. You can put it in the trash if you're fed up with it. You can download the feedback in a CSV report, which is really good if you want to build your own charts. This is a report which Promily automatically generates. And then we can copy a report link to your clipboard for quick access. On the right-hand side, we give you more stats. And you can see here, this campaign has had 13 unique plays, but it's had 21 plays overall. So some people have played it more than twice. We've sent it 30 times. 63.3% of people have received the campaign. Received is what we classify as opened and viewed it. And we total that up in a percentage. 43% of those that played it, my campaign didn't bounce. 3 people have left feedback. It's had 1 unique download and it's had 1 total download. So this gives you an overall feel of how your campaign is performing. To create a new campaign, you simply click on Create New Campaign. You can choose from a promo, a links, or a pre-saved page. I'll go into the detail with these on another video, but you can choose from either 3. And then once you choose it, you can call it a name. And then you press continue. And then if we search for it, it's here. And then we can go into edit. And then you can start building out your campaign. So I'll leave this video where it is for now. And in later videos, I'll go into detail about how to create different types of promo campaigns for your particular need. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below this video or just get in touch with me via the support chat here. Or you can email me at pete@promo.ly.